Yes.
I take them to the second one.
Yes. Ah, it's nice.
And this is still jungle.
Yeah, it's a lovely bit of rainforest here, isn't it? The size of that tree is massive.
Yeah.
So it came down in a storm or something.
This is the big tree was falling down by storm a long time ago.
Yeah, it's huge. That is a big tree.
And you?
Me?
Enter, yeah.
Okay, alright.
This camera?
Just use the video, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold it flat.
Yeah.
That's it. Well done.
You have to speak. Speak like what? Information.
Wow.
Introduce yourself.
These are the waterfalls near Senaru. We just visited, look. And now we're walking back through the jungle. Very pretty. Quite hot though, yeah?
Yeah.
Hot and humid.
Yeah.
And we just saw a monkey, didn't we? Was it a black gibbon, I think it was? Yeah, very nice. Okay.
Good speak.
Yeah.
Speak before.
No, it's alright. There we go. Right. Just do a bit more. There's the river down there. That's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know if it's going to pick that up or not. But, oh, lizard. Big lizard. Yeah, oh, he's cute. Wow. That was a good one.
Get it?
Yeah, I got him. Yeah, here's the river. Yeah. That is beautiful, isn't it? That water's so clear. Yeah. And this irrigation system here, Joe was just telling me, this was all built by the Dutch in the Dutch times, colonial times. And this system is used to irrigate the rice fields, isn't it? Yeah. So these must be like, oh yeah, sluice gates down there.
Pump, yeah.
Yeah, oh there's a pump, was there?
Yeah, the pump.
Ah.
You get the rice there and the thunder storm.
Right. So you can control the water, yeah?
You can see the pure water there. And the flow of water.
Yes, I bet. It's nice, that's the irrigation channel. Hi. Hi. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
And later you can sigh. You can sigh to my manager hotel.
Right.
I'll go directly to fly here.
Right.
In the room bill.
Right, yes.
And just keep down this slow water to go there.
Yeah,
nice.
Beautiful, nice.
Yeah. Nice.